friends, I am Mahalakshmi. I am studying in Kakinada as a MLP student. ఇప్పుడు లాక్డౌన్ కారణంగా అందరూ ఎవరింట్లో వాళ్ళు ఉండిపోయారు. బట్ ఎగ్జామ్ డేట్ అనేది పోస్ట్ పోన్ అవ్వలేదు. జూన్ 19-20 టైంలో మాత్రం కన్ఫర్మ్గా ఎగ్జామ్ పెడతామని చెప్పారు. సో ప్రతి ఒక్కరు ఇంట్లో ఉండి ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలంటే ఆడవాళ్ళం కాబట్టి సో మెనీ వర్క్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఇంట్లో వంట వండుకోవాలి, బట్టలు ఉతుక్కోవాలి, ఇలా ప్రతి ఒక్క రీజన్ వల్ల చదవడం అనేది మనకి తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. టైం మేనేజ్మెంట్ అనేది ప్రాపర్గా చేసుకోలేకపోతాం. సో నేనేం చేద్దాం అనుకున్నా, రోజుకు ఒక టాపిక్, నేను చదవాలనుకునే టాపిక్ని మన ఫ్రెండ్స్తో మన మేడమ్స్తో ఒకసారి డిస్కస్ చేయాలనుకున్నాను. అదే ఒక వీడియోగా చేసి పెట్టాను. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే దీన్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఒక 10 మినిట్స్ నా కోసం కేటాయించినట్లయితే మీరు ఒక క్వశ్చన్కి ఆన్సర్ని తెలుసుకోగలరు. మీకు వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ని ఒకసారి రివైజ్ కూడా చేసుకోగలరు. థ్యాంక్ యూ. నౌ స్టార్ట్ ద వీడియో. The question 1A, define bronchial asthma, that is 1 mark. The B question is explain how bronchial asthma affects the air passage, 2 marks. The C question is list the triggers of bronchial asthma that will help you in assessment of bronchial asthma, that is 4 marks. Discuss the primary care you will provide to a patient of bronchial asthma, 8 marks. This is the question. The definition of bronchial asthma. Bronchial asthma is a irreversible bronchial spasm in which there is a inflammation and narrowing of bronchial lumen due to its hyperactive response to a certain stimuli, which leads to wheezing and coughing and difficulty in breathing. Then second definition of bronchial asthma is a chronic inflammatory disease of airway that causes the airway hyperresponsiveness, mucosal edema and mucosal production. This is the second definition. The inflammation ultimately leads to recurrent episodes of the asthma symptoms that are wheezing, coughing, chest tightness, dyspnea. Next, B question is bronchial asthma affects the air passes. The answer is bronchial asthma affects air passage in 3 ways. The first one is when a person has asthma, airways or airway passages are inflamed, means red and swollen. During asthma effect, lining of passages swell causing the air narrowing, that is leads to reduce the airflow in and out of the lungs. This is the first point. And then second point is airway hyperresponsiveness to wide range of stimuli, inflammation of air passages, that is leads to over extra sensitive to a number of different things that can trigger or begin the asthma symptoms. Then the third point is muscle action, that is the muscles within the breathing passage that are contract and makes narrowing of airway, that is called as the bronchospasm. That narrowing of airways makes the difficulty of the air to the in and out of the lungs. This is also one of the airway passage of effects of airway passage. The third question is assessment of patient for triggers of bronchial asthma. Triggers means causes. The first cause is smoking and second hand smoking, and second cause of the second trigger of the bronchial asthma is infections such as the colds, flus, pneumonia, and third one is allergies such as the food, pollen, dust mites and fat danders, and fourth one is physical exercises, and fifth one is air pollutions, and sixth is weather, especially extreme change in temperature. Seventh one is drugs such as aspirin, NSAIDs and beta blockers. Eighth trigger is food additives, that are tree nuts, eggs, cow milk, peanuts, soy, wheat, fish. And ninth is emotional stress, panicky and laughing or crying. The 10th trigger is singing and laughing or crying. Seventh one is perfumes and fragrances. These are the triggers and extra triggers also there. 12th one is acid reflux. 13th one is cockroach allergy. And 14th one is exposure to a exhaust fumes or other types of pollutions. And 15th one is exposure to occupational triggers such as chemical used in farming, hairdressing and manufacturing. The 16th point of the triggers of bronchial asthma is wood fire, and 17th is charcoal grills, and 18th is strong fumes or vapors or odors such as the paint, gasoline, perfumes and scented soaps. 19th one is medicines, and 20th one is other health conditions. Some patients have some respiratory related infections or allergic bronchopulmonary aspergillosis, chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases, food allergies, gastroesophageal reflux diseases and nasal polyps. Patient have obesity, obstructed sleep apnea, pregnant patients and respiratory infections. Some of the respiratory infection recently occurred, the COVID-19 new coronavirus is also one of the respiratory infection, and pneumococcal disease, flus, sinusitis and rhinitis. These are the triggers of the bronchial asthma. The D question is primary care of bronchial asthma. Whenever any patient with problem of wheezing, coughing or shortness of breath or chest tightness and reported to our health center, immediately my action is first to stabilize the patient by proceeding with following steps. The second one is obtain a comprehensive baseline data about the illness, including the first, make the patient is comfortable position, that is the semi-polar position, to the patient to facilitate the full expansion, lung expansion and air exchange. Then loose the cloths to prevent the chest tightness. Then starts the slow IV fluids for giving the emergency medications and preventing the dehydration also. Then the fourth point is start humidified oxygen therapy at rate of 3 to 5 liters per minute. If it is available in our community health sector, you start the oxygen. Then fifth point is obtain a quick history of recent medication used, particularly bronchodilators or steroids or inhalers. The treatment is injection amoxicillin 250 to 500 mg. Slowly through IV or IV drip 50 to 100 ml of dextrose 5% under supervision of physician. Injection hydrocortisone depending upon the patient condition. The seventh is check the patient's vital signs, that is the temperature, respiration, pulse rate, heart rates and blood pressure. All are should be checked. The breathing sounds also should continuously observe the patient to see if the patient vitals are stabilized and his or her breathing has improved. Then take the obtain a comprehensive baseline data about the illness, including in that the first is onset of signs and symptoms, duration and precipitating factors and treatment of bronchial asthma. The second is previous history of bronchial asthma or other any illness or family history of bronchial. Assist the patient for signs and symptoms and inquire the patient whether he has any related to history of causes and triggers, and find out whether the patient has left the treatment of asthma in between, and ask whether the patient has been taking any drug long therapy time other than the asthmatic drugs may used or not. Criteria for referral of patient with chronic bronchial asthma to special hospital. First point is mild to moderate exacerbations with poor treatment response or even worsening of the condition dissipate about the prescribing medication for at least 24 hours. And second point is critical case of moderate exacerbation, particularly the patient with high risk of asthma related death. severe to extremely severe episodes of asthma exacerbation. For oxygen therapy and endotracheal intubation, or if patient needed to be put on ventilator,